Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to get bot lobby in Call of Duty Mobile. So let's start. If you want to get Call of Duty Mobile in your device, well, you can find here on Google Play Store. It's completely free. Only check if you have the requirements that it needs. Also, in the website of Call of Duty, you can check here that you can download in the App Store, as I told you, Google Play Store, and you can check here also the game of moods games here, and also the characters if you prefer to check first. In case that you can download the app because maybe you're in another country, maybe in your country is not available, what I recommend you to do is download the NordVPN. If you use NordVPN, you can unlock shows from anywhere and play games anywhere safely. And with our partner link in the description, you will get a special discount. The link is always down there, so check it out. To use NordVPN, it's very easy to do it. When you subscribe to NordVPN, let's go to login. Let's wait a little bit. Use your email address as well as your password and then login. Wait a little bit, and as you can see, we have login in our account. Then let's go to the left side and you will find here the menu. Let's go to NordVPN, and here on NordVPN just scroll down, and then let's go to the part that says manual setup. Just click here, and here you will find the country that you are in. If you want to change the country for playing Call of Duty, for example, let's see United States, just scroll down and let's go to United States. Now you can see here the United States VPN. As you can see, there are paths of VPN for United States. Just go to setup configuration, and when you do it, you will start using the NordVPN. Now you can download the app for your mobile without any problem. Also, NordVPN is available for your mobile phone, so if you want to use it on your mobile, you can do it. So guys, well, I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe, remember to click our link for the VPN Nord, and well, thank you for watching this video.